everyone, this is Newman here with 910 Airgun Tuning and Repairs. Today I have a special video for you. It's actually just a real quick one. It's about the FX Chronograph. As you can see here in front of me, I have a new FX Chronograph pulled out of the box for you. So what this is a video about, normally it just comes with a weighted plate here at the bottom to attach to like a phone stand or a camera stand or something of that matter. Actually what has FX come out with now is the bracket. This right here is actually replaces this bottom plate here on the bottom of your chronograph, and it clamps to your barrel just like so, with a couple rubber bands. You just take a rubber band, you wrap it over right there and right there. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to give you a quick video on how to install this into your chronograph. All modern or new chronographs will come with this bracket. If your chronograph has not come with this bracket, you can actually contact FX USA, or else whoever your local dealer is. If you're not in the United States, just contact your local dealer or distributor and they can get you this bracket. Okay, we're going to go through and I'm going to show you the installation on how to install your bracket to your chronograph. Okay, so to install the chronograph, it's just simply taking out 4 Phillips head screws. You need a smaller Phillips head in order to remove that. I'm not quite sure what they consider this size, but I do know it's pretty small. Just whenever you have your chronograph, just measure a small pair of or a small Phillips head screwdriver that max the screw. So anyways, so it's just quickly removing 4 screws. I'm gonna fast forward through this really fast. Okay, great. So now we've got all 4 screws out. Here, I'll show you up close on the camera. All 4 screws. So we can set those to the side. We've got your chronograph here now. So now what we're going to do is we're going to split apart the 2 plates very gently, as to not damage the electronics. So actually it wants to split open this way, so I'll show you. Just like that. There's the front side. And then we're going to leave all this in here. So what we're taking out is this plate right here. So it's actually a metal plate. I believe this is a steel plate. It's been anodized. It has a felt bottom or a rubber bottom. We're going to remove that. Here, I'll set that to the side over here. And then I've got the bracket. As you can see here, you can match it up. There's a ledge right there and another ledge over here. Same here. So what we're going to do is actually, oh, my bad. Flip it over just like that. And then you can see the groove and the shoulder over here, so it's going to go in just like that. Slide right on in. Remember, this is facing upwards, as in this is the front and this is the back. I'm going to take the front cover and set it back on. We're just going to snap right on like that. Go around, make sure it's tight all the way around so you don't have any problem with your screws. And now we're going to go quickly and put all the screws back in. Alright, cool deal. So there's your chronograph. It's all put together. Be sure not to tighten your screws too much. Be sure not to strip them out. I don't know of anyone who has replacements for these screws yet. So yeah, just be very careful when you're working with these screws. Do not strip them out. Do not over tighten them. You don't want to crack any of the plastic or electronics in your chronograph. Just once again, just be careful throughout this process if you do have to install this. So once again, it's going to mount onto your barrel just as so. I'm going to try to show it at a side angle. My finger is the barrel. It matches on just like that. And then 2 rubber bands, or you could use large O-rings or string or anything like that. Just clamp it onto the barrel really tight. Just like that. You could even do an X if you wanted to, from post to post. Or you can go across, however works best for you. Just as long as it's mounted to the barrel just like that, facing forward and it's straight. It's just sitting like that. It's not crooked to one side or the other or anything like that. And make sure it's not the very tip of your barrel just like that. Make sure it's set back just a little bit, just a couple inches or so. Alright, so there you go. There's your FX Airguns Wireless Chronograph with the bracket installed. Let me know if you have any questions.